Okay, this is the second video in factorising in algebra. What happens when you have numbers as well as pronumerals that can be factorised? Well, you follow the same process. So until you get used to trying to find out what the factors are, it's a good idea to write down all your factors. So I'll write down the factors of 18, and notice I write them in factor pairs. So 1 times 18 is 18, 2 goes into it 9 times, 3 goes into it 6 times, and you'll notice that I have an x and I have an x squared, so they're also factors. Now I'll look at 12x. So I've got 1 times 12 is 12, 2 goes into it 6 times, 3 goes into it 4 times, and I also have a factor of x. So what I've got into the habit of is either circling or highlighting. So here I'll highlight the highest common factor. So I think that's 6. That's the biggest number that goes into both. 12 doesn't, no. And x. So now I know that my highest common factor is going to be 6. Oh, got a bit messy there. 6x. So that means that is going to be my number that goes out the front, and my leftovers, so this is my highest common factor, and my leftovers go inside the bracket. Okay, so this means I have to divide everything by 6x, divide by 6x. So I like writing it underneath because it's easy to cancel out. So I might do a different colour. So 6 goes into 18 3 times, x goes into x squared, x. So you'll see that I have 3x left over, so I'll write that down. Okay, so now I've got 6 goes into 12 twice, x cancels x out, and I'm left with -2. So you see, if you follow this system, so this can be done in your head. It's supposed to be a brain. That can be done in your head if you can do it. But again, I highly recommend you use tools to help you. So I hope this has helped with factorising.